The first question is, who are you?
Me? I'm just a regular, everyday person. HVAC service tech mostly, installer every now and again. Try to work as hard as I can, make it through life. Have a fiance. Be married next year. So, moved here just a few months ago. Been the last year or so drifting. Came from Arizona where I lived half my life, 21 years. So I'm basically I'm just a regular person trying to make it through life and keep my head above water for the most part.
Awesome. Second question is, who is Meher Baba? Meher Baba.
I don't know. Does anyone know that question? There are? Meher Bob.
Meher Baba. Never heard that name?
No.
Those are the questions. Thank you.